Hi guys, and welcome back. Today we are talking stripes. Now, I have a couple of really great tips for you today if you are planning on either painting a piece of furniture with stripes or a wall. One of the best products that I can tell you about, if you don't already know, is FrogTape. Now, I usually use the green because it's better for furniture, but you may want to use the yellow. It's completely up to you. Read the blurb on the packaging and figure out which one is best for what you are wanting to do. But I usually always use the green. Now, FrogTape, years gone by we used to use masking tape, and although it did the job, this FrogTape is really great, much better. So let me just show you. Very strong. It's got absolutely no give in it whatsoever at all, so when you're putting it on your wall you won't go, wiggly because it's stretching all over the place, but it will tear very easily, just like masking tape. So, and that is a real plus when you've got all your hands full with measuring equipment and and everything. So, first tip is get yourself some FrogTape if you're going to be doing stripes. Invaluable stuff. My second tip for painting stripes is when you have it on the wall. Say you're doing blue stripes on a white background. Use your background color, in this case it would be white, and paint a line down the tape, just on the edges. When you then put your blue on and you take the tape away, the line will be so much crisper. Now, third tip. Oh, you're getting loads of tips today. When you have put your tape on the wall, make sure first that you seal the edge really well. You press it down really well. But then when you are going to put your background color on, or the stripe color, whatever it is, when you are brushing the paint on, brush from the middle out. Do not paint towards the tape. Always paint away from the tape. You can do a downwards action, or this way, but don't ever push your brush or your roll or whatever you're using towards the tape, and your stripes will be beautiful and crisp. Well, enjoy your stripes, guys. God bless.